we're going to be making our own homemade plastic-free shampoo. We're making our own shampoo because we want to save the planet from plastic pollution. I'm going to tell you what you need to make homemade shampoo. So, water with orange peel for the smell, and then you need rice flour. You also need some coconut oil, some tea tree oil, and a jar to put your finished shampoo in. With the coconut oil, for normal hair you need about 1 teaspoon. If you have dry hair you need about 3 teaspoons. With the tea tree oil you need about 1 or 2 drops. We put it in there because it's good for keeping away light. For the orange peel water, you could do it with orange peel or tangerine peel. You should take about 2 oranges worth and you should leave it soak overnight. First, you take the rye flour and you put in the orange peel water. Keep adding flour until it gets thick. With the rye flour, make sure it's fine rye flour or you'll be brushing husks out of your hair for days. When it has the substance of shampoo, you can start adding your oil. Now, add coconut oil to the mix, like that. Then put it into your jar and use it as and when you need it. Make sure to put the lid on. It should last about a month. Right, let's go and test it.
So this is the hair after the wash, after the shampoo's been used. It's a little bit, it looks fine, it looks quite shiny.
It feels like stuff is still in it.
I can't see any flour still in there. So this is the hair the next day, after washing it with the shampoo. Feels quite soft, not greasy at the top, and quite easy to brush through. So I think that works quite well. Let's have a look at Ruby's hair. Feels quite soft. For Ruby it's quite good because it makes it thicker. Her hair's quite thin, but it's made it thicker. You can see, still got a shine to it, and it's not greasy.
We hope this video will inspire you to make your own plastic-free shampoo. If you do make your own shampoo, film it and the end result. Then send us your link and we'll put your video on our channel and on our website. Bye!